Welcome to our channel. Duolingo app issues can interrupt your language learning streak, but these troubleshooting steps will get you back on track. Step 1. Check Duolingo's server status on social media or status pages to see if there's a widespread outage affecting users. Step 2. Force quit the Duolingo app completely by swiping it away from your recent apps and relaunching it fresh. Step 3. Verify your internet connection is working by testing other apps and websites on your device. Step 4. Update the Duolingo app to the latest version available in the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 5. Clear the app cache on Android through Settings and Apps, or delete and reinstall the app on iPhone. Step 6. Check that your login credentials are correct, and try resetting your password if you're having trouble signing in. Step 7. Restart your device completely to clear any temporary system issues that might be affecting the app. Step 8. Contact Duolingo support through their help center if the problem continues, including details about your device and error messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.